Welcome all, Papa G here. Today is Saucy Sunday. It's where we focus primarily on low-carb recipes for sauces, condiments, and dressings. Most of the videos will be short and to the point, just something to help add a little flavor to your low-carb diet. Let's get started. For this week's episode, I present a very easy-to-make low-carb Asian condiment, my spicy sweet sauce. This recipe is not just for Asian dishes though. It works well with other foods such as pork, fish, and many vegetables. My daughter loves it on her broccoli. Let me show you how to make it. Begin with a sauce pot on medium-high heat. Add some water, rice vinegar, soy sauce, about a tablespoon of minced garlic, a generous amount of Zambul ulic. This is simply a very low-carb ground chili paste. And finally, we'll add a granulated sugar substitute equal to 3/4 cup of regular sugar. I like to present the sugar amount like this because everyone has a favorite, and some may measure differently than a 1-to-1 ratio. For example, my favorite is a little more concentrated, so I used about 5 tablespoons to get the 3/4 cup sweetness. Most sugar substitutes, though, measure 1-to-1, but just be sure to read your own label for the proper amount. Continue to stir until the sugar is completely dissolved. Reduce the heat to medium and gently sprinkle a 1/4 teaspoon of xanthan gum into the liquid. Use a whisk and mix until the xanthan gum is fully incorporated. Continue to cook for about 2 to 5 minutes or until it reaches your desired thickness. Let cool and pour into an airtight jar and store in the refrigerator until needed. There you have it, folks, my spicy sweet Asian sauce. A great condiment for when you want something savory sweet and don't want all the carbs. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.